Hello students, good morning. This is Pankaj Desai, our subject science, and we are going to teach a new topic, history of clothing material. Till now we have completed the two processes to prepare the fabric from the yarns. One is weaving and second one is knitting. And today this is the last topic of this chapter, which is history of clothing materials. Students, this is easy topic, somewhat not any kind of important ones, but it needs to know that in history, in ancient times, how peoples are wearing, how peoples wear the clothes, and how it is started, how the clothing, how they cover their body by using any kind of materials. Okay, how they started. So, in ancient times, people used the bark and big leaves of trees or animal skins and furs to cover themselves. Okay, this is the initiation of clothing material. Initiation meaning starting. First of all, they are using the bark and big leaves of trees. You all know that bark is the outer skin of the trees and animal skins to cover themselves. Okay, we all know that clothing is important for our body to protect from cold weather, or we can say hot weather. Means any kind of before the climate, it needs to be protected, so we need to wear the clothes. But they initiate by using this kind of materials. Then after, people began to settle in agricultural communities. They learned to weave twigs and grass into mats and baskets. After that, agricultural, whenever they come into the agricultural communities, means they are starting to be farming. Okay, they got some kind of fibers, some kind of materials from which they starting to weave. We all know that what is weaving. You have done the exercise activities. Okay, using the grass, baskets and mats, they can weave by themselves, and from that they also get the inspiration to prepare the cloth. Okay, so this was the about the, we can say, starting of the clothing materials. Vines, animal fleece or hair were twisted together into long strands. Okay, these were woven into fabrics. Okay, the long strands are woven into fabrics. Okay, weaving process. The early Indians wore fabrics made out of cotton that grew in the region near the river Ganga. Okay, the process how people started to wear the cotton clothes. It is starting from the plants which are grown at the bank of river Ganga. Okay, from there cotton plants are grown automatically, naturally, and from this cotton fiber they are using some kind of they are making yarns by then, and they were find that from this cotton fiber they can use it as a cloth material. Flax is also a plant that gives a natural fiber. Okay, flax plant is another kind of plant which gives us natural fiber, just as like a jute. Okay, in ancient Egypt, cotton as well as flax were cultivated near the river Nile. Okay, in ancient Egypt, cotton and flax also cultivated. Cultivated meaning they do a farming of cotton and flax. Okay, for obtaining the fibers like cotton and flax. Okay, so this was about the history. In those days, stitching was not known. In those days, stitching was not, also needle was not found. Okay, the people simply draped the fabrics around the different parts of their body. Okay, right now in today's era, different kinds of cloth also there which doesn't stitched yet. Okay, for example, sari, dhoti, okay, turban. These are the clothes which are not stitched. Okay, they no need any kind of stitching. Okay, to prepare the cloth. Okay, it is very much simple one. Okay, and similarly in ancient time also they are draped. It means the whole body wrapped up with the by using the clothes. With the invention of the sewing needle, people started stitching. After that invention was done of the needle, and they started stitching fabrics into clothes. Okay, and for now it is all this whole stitching process results to our whatever clothes today we are wearing. Just as there is a large variety in the food eaten all over the country, a large variety of clothing material also there. Large variety in fabrics and clothing items is also there. Okay, so clothing material is similar to it. Okay, students. So this was about the history of clothing material. If you want to refer on this more, you can refer to the Diksha app. Okay, you can refer to the NCERT textbook and solution. This is the app from which you can get many more materials. youtube.com. Okay, in that you can topic search wise. Is that clear? So it was about the topic. Okay, up to that we'll take next video. We'll start the exercise question answers. Up to that, bye, good day.